Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? So I've got another one for you guys, and this one is actually a Shein from Shein. It's the human hair and it's a U part wig. So with this one, it's actually a side U part wig. So let's get into the video, guys. Right now I'm just parting my hair, and as you can see, I'm like, can't really see what I'm doing. So this one here, it's supposed to be a 12-inch. I did have to send this back because I ordered a 10-inch and the 10-inch came up like an 8-inch. So yeah, guys, I mean, I find as for the inch with Shein, they do get it wrong. So I had to return it, and I've got the longest inch. So it comes up to 8-inch to 12-inch. So I had to reorder it and get a 12-inch. So as you can see, I'm just spraying the heat protector on my hair because I'm going to straighten it. So my hair is actually texturized. So it's still got, texturized in it. And don't come for me with natural hair, what have you. Each to their own, and I texturize my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to straighten it to blend in with the human hair. And also this can show you as well, like those whose hair are texturized or natural, you can actually still wear the straight hair you can still have it straightened with whether it's a hot tongue or tongs as well. And you can see it blends, you'll see at the end it blends in and it actually looks exactly like it's my hair. So yes, I'm just straightening it right now, guys. overall, my downfall with this unit was that one side was longer than the other. And obviously in the picture, it does show you that, you know, the wig or the U part wig looks exactly the same length with, I'm not sure if it's an error with Shein, but yes, so one side was longer than the other. And that could be maybe because of the side bang. But like I said, on the picture, that shows you it doesn't, they both have one length. So anyways, in the end, I tried to adjust it so it looks like the length are leveled and both the same. But overall, I kind of like this unit, and it looks very like it's mine. It looks like it's natural, considering my hair is texturized, and this U part is human hair. So yeah, guys. So please like and subscribe. Please leave your comments down below and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.